Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Toyota 4Runner. First, gather your tools: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a new oil filter. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is slightly warm. Locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter housing underneath the vehicle. Now, place your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes, ensuring all contaminants are removed from the engine. Once the flow slows to a drip, you are ready for the next step. Next, remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before installing it. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Reinstall the drain plug with a new gasket, tightening it firmly. Finally, it's time to add the new engine oil. Consult your owner's manual for the exact type and amount, but typically a Toyota 4Runner requires about 6 6/10 quarts. Use a funnel to prevent spills. After adding, start the engine briefly, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.